Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti. Welcome back to Jyoti Tota Official. Today our task is how to create a Windows EC2 instance and how we can able to communicate to RDP application. Okay. Here I am using all the default networks, VPC, subnets, route tables, each and everything I was using by default. And next create EC2 instance. Okay. Here you can give any name whatever you want, but while I'm giving the name was Windows Server and choose next Windows AMI. Okay, as we all know that we have performed 2 to 3 labs on Amazon Linux. So in this lab I'm going to choose Windows AMI. Okay, remember one thing, based upon the OS, the AMI also ID will change. It is unique ID. Okay, and next select instance type T2 micro. It will comes under free tier. So next select key pair. If you have any existing key you can select that. I am creating one key pair now, RDP key, and create key pair. Okay, while coming to network settings, as I said earlier, I was using default networks now. So VPC default one, and you can choose subnets anything. Auto SN is public IP, was enabling that, and you use default security group, and you can create or you can launch instance. Okay. Okay, click on that ID. Yeah, see, so the instance state will be in pending state now. Wait for some time so that your instance will be ready to proceed further. Yeah, we are ready to go, and we can able to communicate to our EC2 instance by using of RDP applications. Here there are 3 ways to connect. I am choosing RDP client. See here the connection type was also mentioned, connect using RDP client. There is a file here, download the remote desktop file. See here username is also mentioned. We have to generate the password. So here we need to upload the private key. So while we are connecting to EC2 instance by using of third-party tool, there also we are providing private key. So in the same way we are he need to like provide private key here also. Get password, click on that, and see here we can able to see instance ID or key pair, and here they are saying upload the private key, or else you can copy or paste here. Okay, anything is fine. I'm just uploading my private key. Okay, yeah, decrypt the password. So it will generate one password here. So just save it at somewhere. Okay, so I downloaded the remote desktop file now. So just click on that, and here I'm copying and like paste here public DNS. Okay, username administrator. And give the password like whatever you have generated that password. You by using of that password we can able to communicate to our Windows machine. Okay, whenever you get that prompt you can just click on yes, no need to worry. Okay, see here we can able to communicate to our Windows RDP application. It may take a while, so just wait. Yeah. You can see on the right side, we can see the instance ID, public IP, instance type, all the details we can see there. And open the command prompt and give the command who am I. So it will print the effective username, like whoever the using this Windows, it will print all the details. So yeah, we can see there, right? I hope you all are clear with this task. So if you have any doubts or any challenges, just comment it. I'll try to clear it out. Okay, and thank you all for watching this video. And one more thing, if you have any kind of issues to connect to the Windows machine, try to check the security groups, and must and should we have to enable RDP port. If you are not enabled that port, we can't able to communicate to our Windows machine, so don't forget that. And thank you all for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.